Here at Drain Fixers, we specialise in pipe relining, but we also cover all aspects of drainage repair, including unblocking drains and excavating. We often get asked, what is the better option, to dig up my broken drain, or to reline it? And it really depends on the situation. So sometimes you'll have drains like sewer, which are often a lot deeper than storm water. And in that situation, it's almost always more cost effective to reline, as the excavation is so deep. Whereas stormwater, on the other hand, it's often very shallow, sometimes just underneath the grass in your front yard. So in those situations, it can be cheaper to excavate, but overall, most drains are more cost effective to reline. The other benefit is that relining is non-destructive at all, no demo required. So if your drain is running under a pretty garden or a nice new driveway, or sometimes these drains are even running underneath the building, relining's your answer. So the only time we can't really reline it, if it's completely collapsed. Even when you've got really, really badly broken drains, as long as they're still falling downhill, we can actually put a robot in and cut away all of the nasty bits that are sticking into the drain and then reline. So often it is the case that relining is viable. And the other cool thing is we reline with fiberglass products, and they're so strong, just like a surfboard or a fishing boat. These things last for a long, long time, which is why we give a 50-year warranty. So if you're sick of your block drains and you want them gone forever, get in touch and we'll sort you out.
Say goodbye to block drains forever. Drain Fixers, fix drains better. Drain Fixers, fix drains better.